It's okay, we're not coming in. We're just here to stop anyone getting out.
Morning, sir. Everything all right?
My name is John Boyack from the Immigration Service. We have authority to search these premises.
Not a problem. Would you like someone to show you around, or... Oh, while I remember. Ben, did you take those purple acquisition forms down to housekeeping like I asked?
No. I'll do it now.
Brain like a sieve. Anyway, as I was saying, are you okay, or would you like someone to show you around?
No, pero siempre con problema porque es así. Él siempre. Lo mismo.
Jackie, immigration. It's a raid.
Where's Ibrahim?
It'll be fine. There's a code we use. It means we get a few minutes warning so we can hide you into it.
Adam!
What's wrong with her?
She's diabetic. She's having a hypoglycemic attack.
Ooh, what do? We can't take her out there. They'll take her. They'll take all of you.
Richard, pass me that box.
What are you doing?
The sugar in the jam is absorbed through the mucous membranes in her gums. I wasn't always a cleaner.
Hey. You okay? It's Adam, isn't it? Thank you.
They've got someone.
Ibrahim.
Sudanese. For Christ's sake, his brothers and father have all been shot. If he gets sent back, he'll be killed.
Exactly what my boss will do to me if I go back with an empty van.
Look, I'll sack him. Just let him disappear.
We're not stupid. We know the codes. You had, what, 2 minutes? 3 to clear them away? He wasn't quick enough. We got him. Rules of the game.
Jackie. Jackie, can you... I am terribly sorry, everybody. This does happen from time to time. Gino, could you perhaps get these ladies and gentlemen a drink?
Okay.
Let's keep Phyllis.